Hello friends, आज thank welcome to IT Programming World. Today I am doing for the how to install SQL Server in your laptop or desktop. So you know what the SQL is the server based application. You can make uh, your servers, your applications database. So how to install SQL Server? I have SQL Server 2012 setup. So today let us start how to install. So mostly of problem that once you install your SQL Server, how to install, you do not know how to install, how to configure your SQL Server. Mostly you are getting errors, lots of error you are getting. So don't worry. Today I'll help you how to install. So let us start. I have a setup for the SQL Server 2012. So first of all, you open your setup folder and click on setup file, right click, run as administrator. Once you click, your application is getting a start for the installation. So waiting for a moment. Setup is getting a time. Wait a moment. Yes, it is started. You can see in here. SQL Server 2012. Please wait while SQL Server 2012 Service Pack 1 setup process current operations. So, be patient because it is long process for the installation SQL Server. So first of all, once you install your SQL Server, I like to inform you, you need to off your firewall setting. So how to firewall setting you want to off? Go to control panel. Here is showing Windows firewall. Go to the Windows firewall. And there is an option available, turn Windows firewall on and off. Click here. And there is a cross sign for the red cross sign. Click Windows turn off Windows firewall not recommended, turn off Windows firewall not recommended, click OK. It should be connected to internet, should be connected your laptop desktop the internet. So here is a notification Windows firewall is turn off. So once you complete the SQL Server first step, you go to the second option installation. Click on installation and double click of the first option new SQL Server standalone installation or add features. Click first option, double click, wait a moment, system is taking time for the installation. So it is started. Setup is started. Run checks in a progress. So should be all the operations completed past. There is all the past. There is once you have any problems in your system, it is setup is not completed, not operations completed. Once you're getting failed, yeah, warning, these types of operations, that that time you can't install properly SQL Server. So I have you can as well as rerun as well as also. Yeah, all are passed. There is no any errors, no any failed. So you click in the OK button, click on OK. Wait a moment, system is taking time for all the operations, all the process. So friends, I like to inform you, if you do not subscribe my channel IT Programming World, you need to subscribe for this channel. For the next steps, next videos, coming next videos, you will get the notification as well as. So if you feel free, you can share as well as to your friends, your contacts for IT Programming World channel link for help to your friends. So this is my activation keys. So checking for the updates. Is there any updates in these applications, product updates? Yes, I have updates for the install SQL Server product update SQL Server 2002 SP1. GDR is the 26 MB. So select and click on next. So here is taking a time because the download 26 MB file depend upon your internet connection, internet connectivity. So one is completed, scanner product completed. The download setup file in progress. Extract setup file not started, install setup file not started. So all the process should be completed, then we'll go to the next. So here I'm pause video for a moment. So the downloadage is in a process, 100% is completed downloaded. The second step, download is setup file is downloaded and extra setup file is in process. So it is a wait a moment while we complete all the process. So friends, is the process is completed for the installation. So here start for the installation process. So getting ready. So it is the process is complete. You can see here for the all the information is passed. The window firewall is passed. .NET application is passed. The computer domain controller is passed. So here, why should you told you window firewall should be off, because the window firewall will be checking here window firewall is off or on. So when you off, if your window firewall is on, you are getting a failed warning, this type of information here, status here. So when you off your window firewall, you're getting a passed here. You can rerun once again. So once you complete this process, your status is passed, all the information. Click on next, and here is SQL Server feature installation. You need to click here, SQL Server, all the information. First one you can tick here, first one. Now here you have select all, click on select all the features for the installations. Select all and click on next. Please wait. So once you click here, the select all, you're getting all the information is passed with the prior Visual Studio 2010 instance, SQL Server .NET Framework 3.0 installed, Windows 8 is high. So you can rerun and clicks next. Here you should be selected the default instance. Okay, and then click on next. The instance configuration is completed. Now get the next step is your disk space requirement. How much space you have requirement for the SQL Server installation. So you have system is getting. So friends, I like to inform you it's a long process. So system is taking time. So here is a C drive 849 MB requirement 707789 MB available. So this is a requirement for the installation for all the files. So once you see only this information, do not do anything here. Only click on next here. Now next step is server configuration. So here you have getting mostly error server configuration. So here is you should be select is automatic and this one is manual and then click on next. Here you can install as a window authentication mode as well as you can mixed mode SQL Server authentication as in window authentication. Once you click on mixed mode, you should be enter the password. Enter your password. So and click on add current user. It means the current is your PC name, your computer name, the machine name you have accepted here as a username. The server name Krishna Rajput as the server name. After that, click on next. Here, add a multi-dimensional data meaning you should be select these and click add current user and click on next. Here install and configuration and installation only. Click. Here is add current user and next. This is your controller name. Leave as it is controller name, not an issue. Do not change any working directory and result directory. So the same as it is. Check mark for the send Windows SQL Server error reports. If you are getting error, click on next. And here is all the status are passed, all the rule configurations support softwares are passed here. There is no any getting error failed warning these types of. We can rerun once again and click on next. Now your SQL Server ready to install. Click install. Here your system is getting taking time for the installation because this is a long process for the installation. So I'm pause my video for a moment. So I like to inform you friends, if you do not subscribe my channel IT Programming World, you should be subscribe my channel for the next coming video for the ITS tips, stops and the IT tricks. So you should be subscribe my channel and if you feel free you share this channel to your friends contacts for the help. Here is installation in process. You can check it. Installation is process. So wait a time, wait a moment for once we complete the installation. So here is complete process is completion the step. So the few moments you will get the complete installation. Yes, running SQL Server discovery. Here you are seeing the deleting temporary files. Now will be completed. Take a moment. Calculated the outcome of the setups producing imitating status logs. Yes. Now you're getting complete SQL Server installation. We're getting the successfully succeed all the installation is succeed saying in a status. So you have complete successfully install your SQL Server Management Studio. You can see in here, close this setup file, close this file. Now you turn on your firewall setting, turn on. Okay, it is turned on. Windows firewall, close. So let us open SQL Server. Yes, SQL Server Management Studio is here. Click powered by Visual Studio. So taking a time. In that moment we'll be getting it. Open your SQL Server. Now it is opening here. Yes, this is my server name, and you can connect it with the window authentication as well as SQL Server authentication as well. You can enter, and login ID is your server name. The server name is this. Copy, paste, and your password. Connect. I'm connected with the window authentication. Connect. It is connected. SQL Server is connected. So you have successfully installed SQL Server 2012. In this video, you will learn this how to install SQL Server. So I hope it is helpful for you. So you need to subscribe my channel IT Programming World. If you have any query, any information, any feedbacks, you can share with the comment box. I'm share with all the description information in the video's description. Thank you for watching IT Programming World. Stay tuned with the Krishna Rajput.